Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to reset progress. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Udemy doesn't offer a direct reset progress button, but what you can do is just simply head over and open up your Udemy app and be sure to be logged in with your credentials as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your My Learning tab on the bottom of your screen. Then once you're inside here, select the course that you want to reset. Then once you select it, right beside it you'll be seeing a three-dot menu. Simply tap on that and you'll find an option that says mark as unwatched. You can also choose to mark all previous lectures as unwatched to quickly reset the progress through parts of the course. This clears your watch status and progress indicators on mobile. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you had, and see you soon on the next one.